Here are tips on writing an essay. This is lesson 1, writing an introduction. What is the introduction? The introduction is the basic part of your writing. It is the starting point where you introduce your topic to the audience, specify the type of your essay, arouse the audience's curiosity, and include the thesis statement. The introduction parts are 3: the hook, the mini title, and the thesis. The hook is the first sentence in your introduction, and it's called so for it hooks the reader. It is of 5 kinds: Q, Q, S, S, D. The first Q is for the question, the second for the quotation, the first S for the story, and the second for statistics. As to the D, it's for the definition. As we can see in the table, we can explore the hook types, the function, the example of each, and the condition of using each type of the hooks. If you're willing to start your introduction with a question, then its function is to arouse the reader's curiosity. It's preferable for the question to be rhetorical, starting with how, why, or what if. If you choose to start your introduction with a quotation, then its function is to achieve credibility. And remember that it has to be thematic with the topic. So study as many quotes as you can so that your writing will be credible. If you start your introduction with a story or an anecdote, then your purpose is to entertain the reader and definitely to relate to the main topic. But remember that when you start your introduction with a story, then you should end your essay with the same story telling what happened with the main character. Statistics are used to achieve credibility, and they have to be accurate and referenced. So remember to use a resource once you mention a statistical study. The definitions are used to inform the reader about a topic, and they have to be accurate and direct. In this table, we can see the mini title types and that they show what kind of essay you're writing. If the mini title is telling about the causes, then the essay type is definitely about the causes. If it is telling about the consequences, then the essay type is about the effects. It's telling about and describing a problem, then the essay type would be a problem. And so on we go with the other kinds like solutions, persuasive essay, argumentative, compare and contrast essay. As to the thesis, we can see here that the thesis includes 2 main parts: the topic that you're addressing and the controlling ideas that have to reflect your perspective of the topic. The controlling ideas are to be of a kind. For example, they can be social, economic, economical, cultural, political, environmental, governmental, financial, educational, academic, technological, artificial, cultural, and so on. For example, obesity occurs for social, cultural, and physical reasons. Here is a sample introduction. As we can see that the first sentence functions as the hook, the second as the mini title, and the third as the thesis, where the controlling ideas and the topic are mentioned. Now, you can write your own introduction based on what you have learned in this tutorial. Write it and share it in the comment section. Thank you.